Arlyne Sanjines. Today's video is a day in the life, plus I have some updates, just an all-around fun video. Also, this video is sponsored by Walmart. You guys will see I have a few new appliances that I've been filming throughout the day. I'm already like midday right now doing this intro, but I made this new recipe in this crock pot. I can't even lift it up, it's a big crock pot. And it turned out so good. And then I also got a new toaster and a vacuum mop. I got all of them on Walmart. I'm obsessed with like shopping on the website. Whenever I think of like a new appliance that I need, I just go online, and this Beautiful brand is my favorite. So I got the crock pot from the Beautiful brand, our air fryer that we had for about a year now, and we use it at least twice a week. That's also from Walmart. So all of these pieces will be linked down below. Make sure you guys check out the description box before you leave the video. Hopefully you guys enjoy just following along, like a pretty fun-filled day. My mother-in-law's here, so we're doing like a little extra stuff than I normally do. Well, yeah, maybe a little more than we normally do. And then it's also nice to have the help with Meadow, so.
On the TV.
You did?
Yeah.
Good job. Dado, your breakfast is ready. Breakfast.
Can't eat yet.
You can eat it. So everything you guys saw is kind of a typical morning. It was a little different because my mother-in-law's here, so she was actually upstairs playing with Meadow while I made breakfast. Usually Meadow's just down here and she'll just be kind of bossing me around, hurrying me up, trying to help. She wants to help with everything. I feel like that's a very normal toddler thing to do, which just slows everything down. So it was nice for her to be playing up there, like, and I was unbothered making breakfast. But hopefully you guys noticed the beautiful appliances that I used. Because they're from Walmart. I got the new toaster that you guys saw. The one that we had before was literally a wedding gift. So we're coming on 8 years and it would just kind of glitch sometimes. So it was time to upgrade, and that one is just, it's beautiful like the name says. And then, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna make a crock pot meal right now. I wanna make sure it's ready for like late lunch / dinner. Look at how beautiful this little guy is. So it was time to get a beautiful one, and I got this on Walmart, of course. I also have the air fryer that I've shared with you guys in the past that a few of my friends got after they saw it, and they use it. We use ours at least once or twice a week. So I like that we can keep it up on our countertops because just some appliances just don't look good. Like, I cannot wait to try this. Oh, and this is the 6-quart, so it's a little bit bigger than the one we had before, but it's gonna be great for like if you have a bigger family. This will be nice to use. I'm gonna make chicken tinga, which I've never made, in the slow cooker, but I mean, it seems pretty simple and straightforward. So let's start. I got all the ingredients out, super easy. Some chicken. The main like 2 ingredients are fire roasted diced tomatoes, according to one of the recipes I saw online, and some chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. And then the rest are like spices, some onion. That's pretty much it. So that's gonna be. Look who came to join. She thinks it's a picture. Look. Hi, cutie.
Hi, cutie.
Okay, go play outside.
I want to.
You don't want to play outside?
Can I help
Love me some more. Here, sit right here. Okay. Oh! Just do a little paprika, why not?
Can I do it?
Here, how about you grab one of these? Just one. No, grab it with your fingers and put it in. Throw it in. Good job. One bay leaf.
Got it?
Easy peasy. That took like literally 15 minutes start to finish. So let's turn it on. Let me turn her around so you guys can see her. Look how pretty she is. So I think I'm gonna do high for 4 hours. I wonder if I could do like in the middle, 5. Oh, you could. See, the other one was like pre-programmed. It was only like 4, 6, or 8 hours. I got it on Walmart. I will put links down below for everything. You guys can find this. You guys can find the toaster that I showed you guys. And then later I'm gonna clean with this guy that's back here that I've been using the past few days. This is the Bissell. I'll show it like in more depth and more detail. So normally we clean every night, but on this day I was just way too tired. So I am using my new Bissell Crosswave, which I will link below because there's a handful of different yet similar ones. But I really looked at a ton of reviews. This one's cordless. It has been amazing. It vacuums and mops at the same exact time. So it literally cuts your time in half. It's amazing. It's literally my new obsession. So of course I got it on Walmart. You guys can find the link below. Okay, let's go get ready for the day. And by get ready, I mean, I'm just gonna throw a swimsuit on, some shorts, and I'm gonna throw Meadow in a swimsuit because we're going to head to a water park. Another thing to know, I know this might sound like so basic and we've been in the future for a little while, but it gives you the exact time of what is left. With the other one, I used to have to either set a timer or you just kind of guess. If you have the old school ones, you know what I'm talking about. It doesn't give you an exact time. You just kind of know, oh, it's on for 4 hours, come check it in 4 hours kind of thing. This tells you exactly how much time is left. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, I am so excited to have this. Why did it take me this long to upgrade? Summer mom mode activated. This is as ready as I'll be. My swimsuit underneath, this little tank, a hat. I'm gonna throw on sunglasses so no one could really see me. Mom shorts, and then I'm gonna throw on some sandals and we're ready to go to the water park. Also, I'm gonna make a matcha to go. I bought these like to-go cups for days like this when I'm just on the go and want to take my matcha with me because I prefer my homemade matcha over any other matcha. My massive bag of ginger powder, like too big. Take a little more than that. I think I've gotten really used to the ginger too, and I'm not even a big ginger person. Like I used to hate ginger. I mean, it just kind of has grown on me. Oh my gosh, I'm down to the very bottom of my matcha. So I do like a solid tablespoon probably, like that. Splash of maple syrup, and I'm also trying to do this ASAP before Meadow comes and she wants to help, and now we're gonna delay things for another 10 minutes because she likes to make my matcha too. She'll use like this, it's so cute. Just laid Meadow down for a nap. There's 2 hours left, but I just realized that I set it on high. For some reason, I thought it was 5 hours on like a low, and then I was gonna check on it. But it's still fine, we're still good. I'm gonna take it out and see if it shreds. Here she is. I think she's already falling asleep. She seemed really tired after the water park. Okay, now it is 4:24. Meadow has actually been kind of like tossing and turning for the last 20 minutes. I'm surprised she hasn't gotten out of bed. I say that because that is one of the biggest like updates and changes that we've had in the last month. we did finally give her a toddler bed. Well, it's actually her crib. We just took off the bar that comes on the side. It's like a 3-in-1 bed. So she basically has a toddler bed now and she can get out of bed whenever she wants. That being said, the first like week she never got out of bed. She was so good. We'd lay her down, she wouldn't get out of bed. Or I think she got up a few times and then she'd like lay back down. And then after that, she realized, wait a second, I can leave my room if I want. So she started leaving her room and it's been kind of like, actually she's gotten really bad. She's gotten a lot better in the last few days, but for the last like 2 weeks, so I think she's had the toddler bed for like almost 3 weeks now. So for the last like 2 weeks, she'd get out of bed every single time. She'd either come into our room and like ask for something, say she needs water or say she needs, I don't even know, change her clothes. Like she wants to change her dress. She goes to sleep in a dress every night. Any sort of excuse that she can come up with, she would do. And then we've been, I guess, like training her. That sounds like a weird word to say, but we've been teaching her, like, you need to stay in your room and no ifs, ands, or buts. Like, you need to stay in. Anyways, she's gotten really good. The last few days, she hasn't gotten out of bed. She'll stay in bed and go to sleep. And then the other huge update, I'm pretty sure, I don't know, I guess I'll see if I'll include this, but the last time I filmed, I'm not sure if she was fully potty trained. I don't think she was. She rarely has accidents. And I think when I last filmed, she was not going number 2 in the potty. Now she finally is, and she's been going since we last filmed. I think she started going like soon after. Okay, now let's see. The chicken Tinga is all done. I believe I'm supposed to take out those chipotle peppers. I don't know, I don't think the recipe said what to do with them. So I'm just gonna take them out because I tried it and it's really tasty. I lied. Before I eat, I wanna quickly show you this outfit. I went with all the creams and the neutrals. I've been loving these boots for a while, although I think we're gonna head to the farmer's market in a bit and I will be changing the shoes because like they're comfy to walk in, but they're not like mom comfy to walk in, if that makes sense. This top and the shorts I just got from the Zara sale. So cute. They're just like simple everyday outfit. Like once I change into some either sandals or tennis shoes, it's gonna look super casual, but like you can dress this up for like a cute girls night or I don't know, go out to eat or something, like kind of like a casual, nicer outfit. So yeah, that's the outfit. Okay, now I'm gonna eat. Like the worst day to be wearing white. Where's the monkey?
A monkey?
Monkey.
And on the job.
You're on the job. I'm gonna get you.
Then turn on beside.